Alright, what's up, guys? So I'll just give you a brief rundown of what's going on here. Yeah, I'm just going to be switching over my stuff to async, which is supposed to be fun. So yeah, right now I'm just switching over my stuff to async. I essentially need to stream a bunch of prices. So yeah, that should be fun. I've been trying to do it all morning, and I've just gotten some progress made right now. Yeah, leave me in the chat what you think. You can join the Discord if you want. We can talk some shit. So yeah, here. As you can see, I'm getting a bunch of warnings. Okay, but I'm definitely making some progress here. Okay. Alright. So, let's see if this works. Wow, that's a lot of errors. Cool. Okay, yeah, so I don't think I can do that. I'm trying to run my async stuff in another thread because I'm going to be using 2 loops. I'm not quite sure if that's how you do it. I've just started getting into asynchronous programming. If you don't know what that is, it's a way of running different tasks asynchronously. It makes a lot of stuff really a lot more efficient. So considering I'm going to be streaming a bunch of prices from, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, right? We're going to be streaming from the whole Binance market. We need to actually be quite efficient about this. And I feel like the better way of going about this would be to use the programming language Go. But I'm not really all that familiar with it. And so yeah, we're going to be sticking with Python async right now, which is good because this library has actually been optimized really well. And yeah, the guys who made this library are like people definitely to look up to if you're a programmer because they are absolutely brilliant. So yeah, enough kissing ass right now. I'm trying to figure out what is my issue here. I think what I'm doing wrong is that I should be having a loop where I wait for each price to refresh instead of doing what I'm doing right now, which is running loops. It's kind of fuck. I don't even know. I'm too fucking baked. But yeah. So let's try this one more time. Okay, I'm turning up this music. Okay, yeah, so here, I'll show you guys my streams. So what happens in a stream, I'm trying to stream the hour candles of said coin. And what happens in a stream is just a while loop going, just going back and forth, asking for the candle, right? So we need to figure out a way of perhaps the while loop. What that should do is await, update, and then come out of there. So let's try doing that. Okay. Instead of stream hour candles, we should probably do like update hour candles or something. Oh god. It's kind of scary making big changes to your project sometimes. Here, let's just fucking do this. If you don't know what the pass keyword does in Python, it basically just is a blank space for you to just chill with. So yeah. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's right there. I'd love to talk to people about this. I'm actually thinking of bringing this public. I kind of had it private for a bit because, you know, I don't like to air my shit out into the world, right? But that's what open source is all about. Airing your shit out into the world. Okay, so update our candle. It would essentially be doing the same thing as stream our candle, but we're no longer streaming it. We're just gonna, to make this easier for the async life, you know? So I think all we need to do is just take this, really. Oh, and then we gotta, okay, well, let's just take the whole thing right here so that we can, and then let's just chop it up. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just like fucking throw her in the chat. I'd be happy to answer whatever you guys are up thinking. I know this can be confusing. It looks confusing to me. These are my little fucking print statements. If you watch South Park, there you go, Mr. Hat. Okay. Okay. Interesting. All right. Let's try this. This might be interesting. Okay. Should we just go and do it all, or should we try one? I'm worried that if I'm gonna fucking lose it, but whatever. So I guess like what we'd be doing here is instead of doing all this bullshit with the code routines, I guess we could just do this. And then what do we want to put like yeah, let's put like a async IO dot sleep. Let's put a little delay. Okay. Let's see if this runs. This would be really interesting if it did run. I'd be fucking completely shocked because it just means I fixed like fucking. Come on. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay. Okay, so data hours, the one that's being a bitch here, 293. So let's go check that out. True. Okay, it might just be because it's the first one. Or no, it's actually not the first one. Interesting. Okay, well, is there a problem with all of them? No, it just seems to be data hour. So data hour, what that does is it streams the hour candle. If you don't know what an hour candle is, then you can tell me in the chat and I'll show you. Okay. Let's clean this up a bit, man. My code's a bit fucking nasty right now. Okay, let's see what's up with the hour candle. Oh fuck, you're right. It was the first one. All right, so it is that one that was just fucked. Okay, so run async. Okay, what if we did this instead? So then we can run it in a thread in the background. So I guess what this would do is just this. We would have to do async.io.run. Okay. Let's see if that works. And let's just put a sleep, just right here, just to fucking. If I forget about this, it's gonna fuck me over in the end because you shouldn't be putting blocking sleeps like this when using async.io. You should be using async.io.sleep. But anyway, let's have a look. I think it was something like target equals async.io.run. Okay, instead of doing target equals async.io.run, we're just gonna do fuck, what's it called? See, this is the problem with being a stoner in coding because you just fucking forget what the shit's called. Man, what was it? We were just on it. Okay. Run underscore async underscore t. Okay, let's try that out. I'm very curious. Okay, we gotta do self. Yo, what the fuck? Did this just work? Dude, the guy just fucking missed it, man. He just missed it. He was here for so long, he fucking missed it, dude. That's so sad. Okay, well, it fucking seems to be working. Let's see. Okay. Maybe we can print something to show us that it is working. Okay, cool. Let's see. Yo, if this shit's working, I'll be like pretty goddamn impressed. So it would be self dot. Change 1 hour. Okay, that's what we gotta print. So if you're just new here, what I'm doing right now is I'm streaming what your price is, and then I'll be doing some analysis on them. The analysis really isn't that hard. It's a really simple complex. I'm not even using any indicators. Where did my music go? Okay, so it's stuck. Right on. Let's see. Let's make sure run async. Okay, yeah, run async is a loop. We don't want that. Man, if this runs, I'll be so goddamn mind blown. Okay, let's take out this sleep as well. Okay, we're not having much luck here. Okay, whatever this is, it can fuck off. See if it's making it that far. No. It's not even making it that far, is it? Okay, let's see, because this is interesting. It's probably stuck in a wild loop somewhere. Let's debug. Got DMJ. Okay, DMJ, I got it. Okay, this is the last thing I wanted. When you're running all these different threads and whatnot, like, if you press pause on the fucking debugger, it's... you're not gonna end up anywhere that you want to end up. Okay, well, our thread is activated. Oh, shit! Yo! We didn't fucking start it, did we? Okay. Are you guys fucking ready or what? Bam. Alright, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Oopsies. Run async underscore t. Okay, we're making progress here, people. Let's go to 321. Okay, so why isn't okay? Yeah, you gotta do self when you're working with classes, and then check that out. Let's see if it works. Big errors coming. Big errors. Oof. Yikes. Okay, but I like the way that this is shaping up to be, because now I don't have to fucking deal with all these different loops. Now I'm just using the loop to update. So yeah. Okay, so what's going on here? Exchange underscore async. I think what's going on here is an issue with our loop, because I'm working with two loops, and this is gonna take like the thing with working with async, it can get so complex like this, right? Where you're like, what the fuck is going on? But yeah, okay, anyway, I'm worried that the loop running the radar is actually interfering with this loop. But that wouldn't even make any sense. Like, I don't understand why load markets is ever being called. I feel like if we get to the bottom of that, then we can understand what's going on here. Okay. Okay, well, this is under the CCXT library. I'm just gonna make sure that my radar is off. I can actually tell that here. Yeah, so my radar is off, so I'm not quite sure why it's trying to fetch the markets. That's interesting though. Yeah, so right now, if you're just new here, I'm basically switching over all my streams to async, and yeah, it's been a real bitch right now. I don't know. Okay, let's find out. Honestly, let's try this. Let's try this. I feel like this might be onto something. Okay, okay. I honestly really fucking hope this works. Okay, okay. So, let's go back here. Man, if this works, I'll be so happy. Well, it seems like we haven't really made the loop yet, which is like completely understandable. Okay, let's make the loop. Let's make the loop. Okay, okay. They're actually removing this thing in Python, this optional argument, the loop. I'm not really like butchering this because like fucking, you know how it is, man. Sometimes you start programming with a new concept and you're just like fucking copying shit over from Stack Exchange, and you know what I'm fucking talking about. It's fuck yeah, dude. I just drank some fucking water that has like a tint of tea. Okay. So I'm thinking this might work better if I create a loop. I attach this to the loop, and then I run the loop forever. That might... Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Here, we can actually just fucking... I think we should do a little bit of research into what this does first. So come with me as I find this out. Okay. Okay. Cool. So maybe we don't have to say loop equals loop, and then we just pass it in. It's okay, let's try again. Yeah, this is a bitch, man. I'm just gonna take this out of here. So, let's see. You just need to get it to run once. So you guys can join the Discord if you want. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to fucking hit me up on the chat. I'll be answering your questions and whatnot. Let's see this. Let's see this. What if we print this? Yeah, feel free to ask me anything. I'm chilling. I'm a computer science student, so if you guys are going into that or have already done that, then fucking, I'd be very happy to hear what you guys have to say. Okay. Interesting. This is never even running, eh? This run async thing? Okay. Where do we do that? Yeah, it's so strange. It's not even getting over here, which is concerning. Okay, you know what? Why don't we just say fuck this and just get back to the bare bones here and say just async IO. And then we just run async. I think that's what I should have been doing. Okay, smart. So we should have fucking been doing that in the first place because it wasn't fucking working at all. Holy fuck balls, look at this shit, eh? Let's try to read this. You guys want to read errors with me? Isn't that fun? The thing is, fucking 90% of programming is just fucking looking at async errors. I'm just playing. Dude, if any of you guys know like what my fucking issue is here, then please let me know. Okay, let's try debugging. Hopefully the debugger catches it. Okay, sweet, it caught it. Okay, so what's going on here? What's going on? Okay, context manager should be used inside a task. Man, fuck that you have golf guy, eh? This fucking asshole always edits his videos, eh? It's like, you never fucking see the debugging. It's like, look at this brilliant man. I don't know, I'm just fucking pissed because I really can't figure out what the fuck this is. Things you should never say while streaming. Okay. First of all, let's lower this bullshit. Let's actually try to figure out what's going on here, okay? Right here, what this is gonna do is a waiter hour candles. If you guys don't know what that is, I can explain it to you. Just like say something in the chat. It's eventually what this is really doing is updating the data for the 1 hour change, 5 minute change, and just the minute candles. If you're gonna be building a trading bot, what's really important is that you have to stream prices, right? You don't want to have the price fucking 5 minutes ago or the change from fucking 10 minutes ago. I mean, perhaps if that helps your strategy, then that's what you should do. But what's truly important here is that we stream prices and we stream them efficiently. So this is why I'm using Async.io. Async.io will help us do this shit asynchronously. If you don't know what that is, it's a more efficient way of streaming prices, streaming anything, really, doing lots of different asynchronous tasks, right? Where you don't want to be spamming the API. So you're gonna usually put sleeps on your streams because you don't want to be You don't want to be fucking sending like 1,000 requests a second, because Python has the ability to do that if you have it on a computer. So you want to fucking slow your shit down a bit. And in that slowing down time, like it loses a lot of efficiency, because it's like you have to run like 50 different fucking threads, and like, why run fucking 50 threads when you can just use the sleep time to send other requests? And anyway, so that's what we're gonna be fucking doing today. But the thing is that, like, as you can fucking see, this async shit like produces fucking errors like a motherfucker if you don't really know what you're doing that well. And like, I've been fucking coding this shit for a couple months, and like, honestly, this async shit I think is just like the next fucking level that I'm trying to get on here. So yeah, if any of you fucking young programmers are watching this is what you're fucking, this is the next shit, async. So fucking go check that out. For fuck's sake. Yo, okay. Tell you what, guys. Why don't I just fucking go back to my master branch, and then I'm fucking... This is so goddamn inefficient. It just makes me want to fucking puke how inefficient it is. But the goal here is to not be inefficient. So maybe let's not deal with the threads right now, and maybe we could just try this. So let's do the same fucking one. Let's try this. Async.io dot run underscore async underscore t. So let's give that a shot. If it updates my prices, then we're good, because then we just need to loop that function, really. Okay. Important thing when dealing with classes, you always have to have yourself. Always yourself in front of the others. See, son of a bitch. So I'm really not quite sure what's going on here. Let's try this. Okay, it gets the hey. But as soon as you want to go update a candle, it gives you some errors. So why don't we go check that out, what's going on there. So So does it get this far? Let's find out. Okay, so it got that far. Now does it get this far? Let's find out. Okay, it didn't get that far, did it? No, it didn't. So this is our main area right here. Why this is happening, I'm not quite sure. Let's, I think we should test out my radar. I have it on GitHub, so let's go check that out. I'm just gonna commit my changes. 1 sec. Unless it's in here. No. Okay, sweet. So also, guys, the Discord is in the description. As well as if you have any questions about anything, just fucking send her in the chat. Sweet. So now that that is over and done with, we can go back to this. So let's just switch over to the async. Oh fuck. Okay, sweet. I didn't fucking. I thought I did it on my master. That would have been bad. Cool. The way I'm doing this is like a fucking monkey. Like, for some reason, Git was giving me trouble when I was trying to switch over to my other branch. So let's just do it like this, even though it's like fucking makes me cringe. Cool. So yeah, I'm sorry, fucking everybody who has any experience with Git. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, let's see. Does this work? Oh, it fucking works, doesn't it? Look, see? See, so I'm not a complete fucking psychopath. It, like, my other async class is working. But honestly, I think we should just fucking leave this shit how it is for now, because it's like, it's just, I've been fucking spending like 2 weeks on it, and it's really hasn't like fucking made a lot of progress other than with the scan. I did make the scan faster. Did it make it faster? That's a good question. We should probably fucking test it to find out with the other one, but I think it did make it faster, and I used a bunch of async functions to load the price instead of, you know, having to constantly use sleeps and shit. But realistically, the only thing that we changed here was a bunch of the async stuff. So I think we can just say fuck it. Can we just say fuck it and just like get rid of all our async shit in our box class? Okay, right on. Let's go back to how the box was before. I know it fucking hurts because I've been like working on this for a minute. On trying to move over the box, but like realistically, it's not really doing me any favors. Fuck, this was last updated 25 days ago. Jesus Christ. I think if we go into our commits, we could probably go test scan async. Okay, sweet. Oh. So have we not made any fucking changes on the actual box itself on our async branch? That is really good. That is really good news. Okay. Let's check out the box. Okay, class box. Let's see. So yeah, I don't think there is any async stuff going on here. Is there? Oh fuck, there is. I see. Okay. Let's see the commits on here. See, this is when it matters to have good commit messages. So hit me up in the chat if you want to chat. Well, this is strange because it was working before. See, now would be a good time to be using microservices, which is what I'm trying to move on to realistically. I see what I did here. Okay, this is cool. So let's try to move away from this file and move on to the other file. So here. Let's do core test. Let's go get our shit from here. Oops. I know you guys don't see me use Git like that, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Man, these fucking print statements, eh? Hey, man. Sometimes you just write whatever the fuck you want on the print statements, you know what I'm saying? Yikes. It's a good country. Okay, scan async works. See, I really want to move towards microservices because I'm kind of fucking done with this bullshit, realistically, of having to deal with all this nonsense. So, okay. We gotta make another one for this guy. Fucking A! Are you seeing that? Listen, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm fucking talking about. You spend 3 days. Like obsessing over something, and then what? It was fucking right there all along. I don't even like know what to say at this moment. Like I coded this properly at some point in my life, and I just fucking remembered. Or I don't even remember doing this, man. Here's the thing. I'll fucking tell you guys a secret. You guys want to hear a little secret about fucking life and university and whatnot? People will tell you that you can't smoke weed and be a computer scientist. That's a fucking lie. It's not only that you can,
It's that it's so much fun. So much fun. And so, you know, sometimes I'll get really baked and I'll code like for fucking 7 hours and I'll just completely forget. And this is one of those moments. I like literally had my shit figured and I had been fucking doing this. I was doing this for like all fucking morning trying to figure it out. So yeah. Whew. Okay, I gotta go take a piss. I don't want to fucking leave you guys like here with nothing, right? So here. Oops. Here, I'm gonna go take a piss. You guys can fucking wait if you want. If not, I'll see you at another date. Alright, what's up, Soul Surfers? Whew. What a fucking time we've had today, eh? Let's try to look at what this data represents, or what it even is. I wish I was using fucking the API. I wish I was using API. Excuse me. API endpoints would be really fucking helpful right now, because I feel like if I put this all in one, holy fuck, I just ran up the stairs and I'm in fucking quarantine for fucking 30 days. Holy shit. Fucking life of a programmer, am I right? Dude. I need to fucking ride a bike. Anyway, so yeah, it's more helpful to make microservices than like just putting it all into one application, which ironically enough is exactly what I fucking did here. Look at this. Look at this, boys and girls. 990 fucking lines. Holy shit, what did I just do? Okay. Cool. Alright, so it seems like we have the hour candles, we've got the minute candles, and we've got the all the noun. Great. Now, curious as whether we have our 5-minute candles. We can use the debugger to see what is attached to the self. Okay. Whoa. Don't do that, debugger. We don't have it. Come on, man. Don't say that now. What are you, shitting me? I was working 5 seconds ago. Okay. Okay. So remove those inappropriate print statements that I definitely don't want to be seen by anyone other than myself. Hey man, that's a fun program, okay? You can say whatever the fuck you want. Okay. Thank God for fucking GitHub. Am I right? Because, like, seriously. Actually, I cannot be fucking... I cannot be fucking publishing this. If you don't know who Sexy May is, it's this one girl that I dated. And if you don't know what Niger is, it's a country. Actually, funny enough, I didn't date May. Streamer.run async was never awaited. Okay. Streamer.run async was never awaited. Okay, let's see. What about... Okay. This is a warning, but like, do I really want to, you know? I mean, I feel like I should, but what if we just did this? This is some fucking steampunk shit. Let's try this. Maybe this might work for us better. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you something. This is the error that was fucking with us before. We found it. We found it. Yes. Yes. We found our error. Okay. Do we just ignore the warning? Like, seriously, come on, people. What have we come to in this world? We're such pussies we can't even ignore Python warnings anymore? Yes. Yes. That's exactly what we are. We cannot ignore... Or can we? Can we? I kind of want to. Oh, we got people on Discord. Do we? Oh my god, did Theta go up? Guys, let's fucking stop here for a second. I don't want to fucking intrude upon your guys' knowledge. But I think something important happened, which is the coin that I hold, Theta, has gone up. And what that means is that I'm rich. Just kidding, I fucking sold it the other day, so let's go take a look. Do we really want to go on Binance? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't fucking trust you. Yeah, I do trust you. Let's see what Theta's up to. Come on. Yo, I bet this shit up went like 100% up, yo. Yo, fuck, dude. I fucking... I sold this shit yesterday, dude. Dude, I sold this shit yesterday, man. Fucking A. Anyways. Let's get a homie up in those call. So yeah, if you don't know what Theta is, I'll just fill you in real quick. Just take a break from the coding for a second. But Theta is this new coin. Well, it's not new. It's been around for years. But they've optimized their network. I don't know what the fuck they've done, but realistically, what they're trying to do is make decentralized streaming, in which everyone works as a node in a network of streaming platforms. Realistically, let's be real here for a second. Why we need decentralized streaming is not for fucking efficiency's sake, as they're claiming. We need decentralized streaming because fucking women with short haircuts can't stand funny videos on YouTube. That's why. It's just the fucking truth at this point. But anyways, people who fucking, go report everything and shit, like, whatever, dude. Who are we to obsess about that? A bunch of fucking plebs that use Twitter? Not me. Not me. I don't use that fucking shit. I got better things to do, like coding Python. Let's not look at this warning. Let's just completely ignore it. I don't even see it. Streamer.run async. Yeah, whatever. Fell off. Okay. I just want to see what we've got here. You can actually, this is super useful. If you're using PyCharm, you can use the debugger to see what your variables are. So, okay, our change 1 hour is not streaming. Our change 5 minute is not streaming either. Let's see. Maybe if we keep going, it'll keep streaming. Let's give it a minute.
Okay. Alright, right on. Okay, that's definitely not where I wanted it to be stopped, but okay. That could be a bit of a bitch, with dealing with multi-threaded applications, is that when you hit stop, it's not actually like where you want it to be 90% of the time. Okay, there it is. Fuck yeah. So... Okay, we still need to change 1 hour and change 5 minutes, but we've got to change 1 minute and change 1 minute prep, which is a lot better than nothing. So I'm going to write that down on my handy dandy notebook. Look at this shit, dude. My dog fucking, chewed it, so I had to cut the corners. It's pretty quirky. Alright. Change 5 minutes. So we've got our change 5 minute as things that we need to do. We also need... What else do we need? Tell me, Papa, what else do we need? Okay, change 1 hour. Whoa, I got Discord notifications for days. Like, fuck you, dude. You're fucking going to answer a Discord notification? Like, you unprofessional fuck. And you know what I say to that? Hey, man, why don't you just join the Discord? Why don't you just join the Discord bot? Anyway.
Yo.
So,
Yo.
change 10 minutes. Change 1 hour. This is what we need.
Can't hear you.
Why they're not streaming? Let's find out. Okay, oddly enough, Okay, so we actually didn't make one yet. Here, one sec.
Yo, you muted your mic.
It feels like a Friday, but I feel like it's a Tuesday.
Unmute your fucking mic.
I wish these days were like
Unmute
not
your
as
mic, you
fucking,
fucking black.
you know. They just feel so blended in together. So blend? Is that what you say? When things are blended in together, you say they're blend?
Unmute your fucking mic. you
Some girl named
fucking
Natasha
black.
added me on Discord, and I'm like, there's no way this person is real. Who the fuck is like named Natasha?
Unmute your fucking mic.
Fucking Russian butts, that's who it is. It's like fucking adds me and starts telling me to vote for Trump.
Unmute your mic, you black.
So realistically, what this is just a fucking copy and paste. I feel like there would be a better way of doing this.
You black.
Like the streams and all that. I feel like we could just do the fucking get at her. And oh shit. Pitter patter. Pitter patter. Let's get at her. Look, 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 look. You guys ready for this? Pitter patter. Let's get at her. All right.
Nico, unmute your fucking
Holy
mic.
tit balls. Holy tit balls. It appears we are under attack by the United Nations. Holy tit balls, they're coming for Korea. Ah! Not Korea. What if Korea got attacked by the United Nations just overnight? Here's my question. Why don't you just put the United Nations in the middle of fucking a United Nation? Whoa. Holy shit, did you guys see Pokemon's fucking nudes? Dude, if you haven't seen that shit, bro, fucking go look at that, bud. It's like, you know, most people will tell you that's not her, but like, you know, what are you, fucking retarded? If you don't know what happened, fucking Pokemon is like, I don't even know if is she the fucking bitch from like the OK Boomer girl? I don't know, man. She fucking looks like it. Anyway, so she pulled up like this porn stream on Twitch, and I'm fucking sure it's her, man. It's fucking her, dude. All the fucking simps in the world are like, oh, I wish I could see Pokemon. It's fucking pussy. And it finally fucking happened, dude. It's like manifestation, man. It's like, yeah, you got fucking played by like all these different women, like that fucking Belle Delphine chick. She never showed you her fucking pussy. You know, you fucking paid for an OnlyFans. That does nothing. Hey, you must feel like a fucking idiot, but now you get to see Pokemon's pussy, which is fucking good enough for me. It fucking was. Anyway, let's pitter patter. You guys ever feel just like immense pain in your face? And you guys feel that way? No. It's like pain in the morning, pain in the evening, pain in the afternoon. You guys know those? Oh no, you don't? Oh. Oh well, okay. Look, now it's doing it. Now it's streaming the 5-minute candles, isn't it? I know that. I don't know why, but I feel like listening to Gucci Mane. Listen, I'm not one for Gucci Mane, but like, no, you don't know. You don't fucking know, do you? Look, hookers and blow. This is what's gonna be printed out when you fucking run async, but I don't see it anywhere. So I don't think I'm running async. Oh, I don't think it's ever finishing. That's the thing. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a break for a bit. I'll be back. I'll be back in